Number 11. Mr. Day was a teacher at a school in a big city in the north of England. He usually went to France or Germany for a few weeks during his summer holidays, and he spoke French and German quite well. But one year, Mr. Day said to one of his friends, "I'm going to have a holiday in Athens, but I don't speak Greek. So I'll go to evening classes and have Greek lessons for a month before I go." He studied very hard for a month, and then his holidays began, and he went to Greece. When he came back, a few weeks later, his friend said to him, "Did you have any trouble with your Greek when you were in Athens, Dick?" "No, I didn't have any trouble with it," answered Mr. Day, "but the Greeks did."
Now answer these questions. Number 1. Where did Mr. Day usually spend some time during his holidays? Number 2. Why did he want to have Greek lessons? Number 3. Where did he go to learn Greek? Number 4. How long did he stay in Greece? Number 5. How much did his Greek help him while he was in Greece?